Sir, ito yung kumpletong report tungkol doon sa estudyante.
Good. Makakasa kayong magkakaroon kayo ng promotion. Bueno. Okay.
Sir, yung promotion na aasahan namin.
Believe you me, may promotion kayo.
Thank you. Paano yung babae?
Ay, one mo na. Patatawag ko yung mga magulang at kakausapin ko.
Yes, sir.
Sandali nga. Naiirita ako sa'yo eh. Bakit ba tumang panahon ito lagi kang nakatitig sa akin? Hindi ka naman bakla. Why?
Pasensya na ho kayo, sir. Talagang kamukhang-kamukha niyo lang yung tsuhin ko, eh.
Ako? Sinong tsuhin mo?
Si Chupaeng.
Sige, sir. Mauna na kami. Sige, Chupaeng.
Paeng, oh.
Siya nga pala. Salamat sa tulong ninyo.
Walang anuman yon. Sige, tuloy na kami.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Baka naman pwede namin kayong maimbitahan.
Saan?
Kayo. Kayo. Baka type nyong...
Ay, type nila yun. Type nila. Sarap dun.
Sige. Talaga? Kailan?
Ngayon na, kung gusto nyo.
Walang niya ka, oh. Sa linggo. Linggo. Linggo.
Linggo.
Sige.
Okay?
Sige.
Wooly Bully, don't you think you're a bit too old for my class?
I know, ma'am.
You know.
Because in learning, there is no limited offer. It's for everyone.
Quiet! Quiet! Philosopher ka, no? I presume you know everything.
Yes, ma'am. I know everything
Really?
except manual mathematics.
Oh, you don't know mathematics. Never mind, I'll just ask you a simple question then. 5 plus 5? Don't count with your fingers. Put your hands inside your pockets. Okay, 5 plus 5.
11, ma'am.
Quiet! Quiet! Take out your hands from your pockets. 5 plus 5, Bully Bully.
Ten, ma'am.
Then why did you answer 11?
I thought he is the member of the committee.
Quiet! Quiet! Very funny. Okay, sit down. Okay, I'm going to give you an examination on simple mathematics. Woo! Bully Bully?
Ma'am.
Bully Bully!
Ma'am.
I saw that! Meron kang kodigo. Give it to
What,
me.
ma'am? None,
You
ma'am.
put it inside your pocket. Take your hands out of your pocket. Take it out! I saw it! Nakita ko nilagay mo dito sa bulsa mo.
Ma'am, that is the number 11.
Quiet! Quiet!
Ma'am,
Yes?
Kapag tinawag ko ang inyong pangalan, lumapit. Bulan ng talon-anon. Tukmol ng gimbalaon. Makokok ng tamburukoy. Utakti ng kamakama. At ang ikalimang mandirigma, si Pedro Pinduco.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sandali lang! Bakit kasama si Pedro Pinduco? Hindi sa dumaan sa ritual ng Pakitang Gilas!
Inggit ka lang.
Pakitang Gilas! Pakitang Gilas!
Ako, si Pedro Penduko. Dayuhan. Mula sa beautiful place of Quezon City.
Mabuhay!